Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Pico again with another short video. Yep. And it's a nice day today, but it's a little chilly. It's probably like 39 degrees. So far so good. I just came from work, so coming to ride my bike for a little bit, and I'm gonna see what's good today, you know. And this is gonna be a short video, guys, because I'm gonna make a review on the battery, tell you all about it and all the things I got on my bike so far. Right now I'm going 26 miles per hour on a flat street right here. I'm going 27 miles per hour. I'm using race mode, so now I feel a little cold because, you know, the more faster you go, the more the wind, you know. But hey man, it is what it is. But I'm not that cold because I'm real cover up. But yeah guys, I have a lot of people asking me about the battery, how you did it, how much did it last you, and I'm gonna tell you that in a bit. All right guys, so right now my face is not that cold because I have a full face helmet. I don't know if you guys can see it on my Facebook page. So I'm real comfortable right now. It sucks on the summertime though, but I'm gonna still wear it though. Even though I tried it before, forget about it. You sweat. Like, I think like when I started using it for an hour, after that you start sweating bullets. But the helmet is so cool, that's why I don't want to take it out. Wow, nobody's here today. I'm by the Verrazano Bridge. Y'all can see. Look at this guy. Nice view, right? Yep, that's Manhattan over there. Brooklyn. And I'm in Staten Island. Let's stop over here. Hey, what's up guys? So this is my juice scrambler. 52 volt, 13 amp. As you can see right here, this is the battery. America. I put some stickers, some Mario stickers, as you can see. I'm about to change it. So far so good on this bike. I think I got like, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn the lights on for you guys. $252 miles on it so far. And man, what can I say, man? This is a great bike, man. Good customer service. I just got the fenders, aluminum. I actually got it for $50. I had a discount on juice. Because when I got the bite, I don't know, out of nowhere it started peeling off the paint, like the clear paint. So I contacted them and they gave me $100 refund almost. So with that I bought the fenders, you know. I just put $50 on it, and so far so good. This V tire, I don't know man, I love this V tire. It's hard to find though online and everywhere on the store, you know. I got this on a Super 73 website. I got it for $60 each. Not bad. I got the black one, if y'all can see on my other videos. This is the white one. I just got this like a week ago. So far I've tested it, so far so good. And I put those, I don't know if you could tell, those like orange stickers. Those are like reflected, like in the night, you know, you can flashlight, you can see me. I got these straw, I don't know what you call them. I got it at $10 on Amazon, so it could look cool, you know. Supreme stickers, like you can see. These stripes, I got it on Amazon as well. I think like $10 for like a whole 10 pieces, so I can hold my bike. I see a lot of people complaining about, you know, not complaining, but you know, that this, when you hit hard bumps, it could probably crack the battery from the inside. Like they have like plastic inside here, so you know, I don't want that to happen to mine. So I put that for safety. I changed the pedal. Got it on Amazon for like 25. It's like plastic, but it's good, man, lightweight. And here we go. This is what everybody wanted to talk about. This is the battery. 52, same thing with this one. 52 volt, 13 amp. I was gonna get a higher one, but like, for now I'll get this one. So far so good. I always say that, right? So far so good, right? You probably like, yeah, right. Nah, but yeah, man, I love this, man. This battery is so good. I think it's Unit Pack Power, the company called. They're from, I think, China. Like always, you know, they have good product, man. This battery so far is so good. Like I said, man, they got good customer service. I got this on Amazon for $300, and you gotta contact the guy, the seller, to send you a, I think, an TX60 connector, so you could plug it in there. So far, I don't know if you can see, I have the switch on and off. To, like right now it's on, it's using this electric right now. So when this die, I shut it off, turn this on, and ready to go. And this is for backup. It's holding it right now. I have something, I screwed it in. So far it's tight, but I want to have more safety. I have two of them here, two straight, so it's good. And pedals, I mean not pedals, I don't know what you call it, standard, like the bike, you know, somebody could sit on it. Like it have to be like lightweight, like maybe 100 pounds, 120. If you're gonna put somebody for 200 something, forget about it. You probably pop the tire or something. But yeah, this is, I just put it for the looks too, you know. It's like same thing, V tire. And that's much, man. The only thing I want to do, I want to change the seat. I see a website, they call it like $300-400. That's a little pricey, you know. I mean, not ready for that yet. But yeah, man, this bike is good. I have share lights right here, and the one that come with the bike, that's a pretty good bright light. My phone holder, my beep beep, my horn, and my speaker, and that's it, man. This is what I ride. Look at my helmet, guys. You sub, guy. Yeah. But yeah, man, like I said, the battery is good. This is how it, I don't know if you can see from back there, they have the wire. The controller is right there. I just put a screw on it from there, tie the controller with the ties, so it won't move that much, and that's it. That's pretty much, man. Going up the hill, guys. Asshole. People gotta watch where they're going, man. Anyways. Yeah, man, so if anybody need more information about the battery, because mostly everybody, when they get a juice scrambler or juice bike, they want more on the battery, like me. That's why I wanted my juice scrambler, because you could put a second battery on it, you know. And I have my standard 4X. I love that bike. I don't got no complaint about that company, good product. But I wanted something more, like, you know, like more on my style, you know. So like this bike, I'm gonna use it for adventure, you know, go out, have fun. And my standard 4X, I'm gonna use it more for like going to my appointments, like other things, you know. Yeah, man, so that's why I got the juice bike. Great company, like I said. So I got this you know, the second battery, cheap, 400. I don't really want to spend, I think it was like 1,000 or 800 for a 52 volt 13 amp, and the other one is 19 amp. That one's a good one, but to be honest, couldn't afford that, you know. But like I said, this one's a good one, and I got this one already. And yeah, man. So I'll see you guys in our next video, and like I said, take care, stay safe out there, and have fun. Peace. I'm going 27 miles per hour.